AI is not only changing phishing scams, it's also changing the speed of cybersecurity. Security teams are using AI to help find and fix software weaknesses faster. That's a good thing, but cybercriminals can use AI to find and attack those weaknesses faster too. That makes updates, patches, and restarts more important than ever. Not every cyber attack starts with a suspicious email. Sometimes attackers look for a weakness in software, an app, a browser, a phone, or another device. That weakness is called a vulnerability. When a vulnerability is discovered, the company that makes the software may release an update or patch to fix it. But once that weakness is known, the clock starts ticking. Security teams want to fix it. Cybercriminals want to exploit it. AI can make that race even faster. This is not just a future concern. In a recent incident, Google said it disrupted a criminal group's attempt to use AI to exploit a previously unknown software vulnerability. Google said the attackers appeared to have used a large language model, the same basic technology behind popular chatbots, to help discover the weakness. The attack was stopped before it caused damage, but it shows how AI can shrink the time between discovery and exploitation. You don't need the technical details, but when you see that an update is available, consider that it may be fixing a weakness attackers are currently trying to exploit. This mental shift can help you better remember the importance of taking action early when it comes to updates. That includes the everyday tools you use, from your laptop and phone to your browser, email app, and extensions. So what should you do? First, install approved updates promptly and restart when needed. It can be tempting to click "Remind me later," but updates often include important security fixes, and some do not fully apply until your device, browser, or app restarts. Second, keep your browser updated. Browsers are used constantly, but often overlooked when it comes to updates, which makes them a common target for attackers. Third, update your mobile devices too. Phones and tablets need security fixes just like computers. Finally, report any update problems. If an update fails, your device seems stuck, or software says it's no longer supported, contact IT instead of ignoring it. AI may help both defenders and attackers move faster, but updates are one of the simplest ways to stay protected. When you patch promptly, restart regularly, and report issues, you help close the door on the exact vulnerabilities cybercriminals are searching for.